This is a 3D printed steak. This should be illegal. Just take a listen.
By computer.
Oh, that is so wrong.
While obtaining regular meat is a process that's been
So
taking
wrong.
place for millennia,
True.
cow,
Hey, the best
beef,
meat.
Redefined Meat,
Oh,
a meat
no.
alternative startup out
No,
of Israel,
no,
makes their
no.
product.
If I'm at a restaurant and the chef comes up to me with redefined 3D artificial meat, I would spit it in his face.
Geese and coconut fat is formed into steak-like shapes
isn't
using a
steak,
3D
man.
printer.
It's like
Our
Lego.
goal is to become the largest meat company in the world.
You're not gonna be.
Just by harnessing technology
You're not gonna be.
instead of animals.
And you're not
Meat
gonna be.
substitutes are not new,
Oh, no.
but unlike the soy-based crumbles that mimic ground beef, Redefined Meat's product is designed to act, taste, and
Subscribe
cut
if you
like
wouldn't
flank
eat this.
steak.
Ugh.